Hey guys, so we are looking at the Minwax wood putty here. So one is white and the other is a natural pine. So both of them, they're putties. They're not wood fillers, so you don't sand them, you don't stain over them. They're specifically formulated to match this particular Minwax stain that Minwax sells. So like I said, white, natural pine. So the use of it is for either of them. If you have a project, maybe trim or flooring or something, and you use this Minwax color, that you can go ahead and do your finish and then go back over any like nail holes or imperfections and use this stuff, this putty. Just take some out and you just fill your holes with it and then wipe it down with a rag or whatever to kind of smooth it out. One of the things that I did, and that you can do with any of the Minwax putties, if you are working on something that's maybe not the Minwax stain, like in my case, you can actually color match. So if you have a darker color, you would buy a dark putty, but for me, I was actually going to lighten it up. So I took some of the natural pine and some of the white, and you can actually just mix these together to somewhat color match the wood that you have as best as possible. So, you just take some and mix it up, and you buy the colors that you think you'll need to get the appropriate in shading. But overall, I mean, again, it's just to give you a look at what it is and what you can do with it. But it is a good product, and if you can get the color that works for you, I think it does a phenomenal job at hiding those little imperfections. And you can just kind of smooth them on, wipe it off, it looks good, and then you can leave it alone.